Hi, welcome to Financial Freedom, the channel where we create our videos based off your specific needs. Here are the top 10 tips on how to purchase a home and renovate it without using your own money. 1. Partner with an experienced investor. Find an experienced real estate investor who has access to funds but needs your expertise in finding and renovating properties. In exchange for your services, you can negotiate a profit-sharing agreement or a fee for your services. 2. Use hard money loans. Hard money lenders are private investors who offer short-term loans based on the property's value rather than the borrower's credit score. These loans typically have higher interest rates and shorter repayment terms, but can be a good option for investors who need quick access to funds. 3. Apply for a home renovation loan. Some lenders offer renovation loans that can be used to purchase and renovate properties. These loans are based on the value of the home after renovations are complete, so you'll need to provide a detailed renovation plan and work with a contractor to get estimates. 4. Use a peer-to-peer lending platform. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow individual investors to fund loans for borrowers. You can apply for a loan on the platform, and investors can choose to fund all or part of the loan. 5. Look for seller financing. Some sellers may be willing to offer financing for the sale of the property. You'll need to negotiate the terms with the seller, including the interest rate, repayment term, and down payment. 6. Consider a lease-to-own agreement. A lease-to-own agreement allows you to lease the property with the option to purchase it at the end of the lease term. This can be a good option if you're not ready to purchase a home outright but want to start working on renovations. 7. Use credit cards with 0% introductory rates. Some credit cards offer 0% interest for a certain period, such as 12 months. You can use this credit card to purchase a property and pay for renovations, then pay off the balance before the interest kicks in. 8. Apply for grants or loans from nonprofit organizations. There are government programs and nonprofit organizations that offer grants and low-interest loans to help with home renovations. These programs are typically targeted at low-income or first-time homebuyers, so you'll need to meet certain eligibility requirements. 9. Look for distressed properties. Distressed properties are those that are in need of significant renovations and are typically priced lower than other properties in the area. You'll need to work with a contractor to get estimates on the cost of renovations to ensure you can complete the project within your budget. 10. Network with other real estate investors. Networking with other real estate investors can be a great way to find potential partners or lenders. Attend local real estate investment club meetings, participate in online forums and social media groups, and attend industry conferences to connect with other investors. Be sure to have a solid business plan and clear goals for your renovation project to attract potential investors or lenders. If you found this video to be useful, please like and subscribe now. Also, be sure to leave a comment below, letting us know what subject matter you would like for us to cover in our upcoming videos. We are all about servicing your needs. Until the next video, take care.